Hello, long time no see. I'm sorry that I haven't posted a video for a while because, personal stuff, and I didn't just have the time to visit the garage, so yeah, I hope you forgive me. But as you see, this is not a BMW, it's a Volvo. Yes, I've been owning this Volvo past couple of years and it's been really great car. Of course, it's not the BMW, but it doesn't matter. I like it. And if you consider it, for example, the maintenance costs, well, this one 2 years and I have spent 17 euros on the rear brake pads, just the maintenance, basic maintenance, oil, filters, stuff like that, small stuff. And yeah, well, it's 2016 and it has almost 600,000 kilometers on the clock, so yeah, it's an old Swedish taxi. But enough about the car. What I'm gonna do today is, I'm driving around a lot and you always see some interesting stuff in the traffic, crashes, or someone is doing some stupid things and you would like to record it. Usually I don't use the phone while driving, so what's the solution? There is one. I'm gonna install the dash cam today. I haven't done this before and I don't know how fast I'm gonna figure out all the wiring and everything, or how long does it even take for me to install it, but we will see. But about the camera, I bought the cheap Temu quality stuff. The front camera is 4K, the rear one is 1080p. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have the battery, so it needs the power all the time. Well, at least when you turn on the ignition, then the power comes on, and when you turn off the ignition, the power cuts off. So I need to find the wires because there's yellow for the ACC, and this one is easy. It's positive and negative cable, and that's about it. And we have to find the perfect spot for the front view camera, and I will figure out the rear view camera as well. But yeah, let's start from the beginning. First, let's search for the fuse box. So the one fuse box is here, but this means I have to push the cables through the firewall, and I'm not gonna do that, it's too much work. So the second option is down here behind the glove box. There's a lot of relays and stuff like that, so I'm trying to get the power from that section. So let's remove the glove box and stuff and let's see what we find there. So Torx 25 screws. Sing through my veins, I feel alive. Here is a lot of fuses and stuff, so I'm trying to find the correct wires and correct fuses for the dash cam. I have to dig out my multimeter and see where is the power and where is not the power. So let's test it. Did I get the wires right or not? Now, when I plug this in, it should be in off stage. Now when I press the ignition button, holy Moses, it works. Not bad. I'm not an electrician, but I managed to do that. If yeah, it's a win. And now when I turn it off, it should turn off. Yes, that's freaking awesome. Good job, my friend. Good job, my friend. So the connections are ready. So the positive one is F4 and the ACC is F29. And the ground, I just made the cable a little bit longer and the ground is up here. And that's it. And it works like a charm. So as you saw, we found the correct wires from the fuse box. Now we have to take the wires somewhere behind the dash, up of the E-pillar and behind the roof lining and somewhere here near the mirror. So I'm gonna remove some parts. I'm lost in the heat consumed by the sun. Your love is like a wildfire, like a wildfire, wildfire, like a wildfire. The front dash cam is installed. Here are the cables. I tried to install them, you know, so they look pretty, but unfortunately I had no other choice than just install them here, then beneath the headliner and down from the A-pillar. And the rear view camera, the cable goes all the way to the back. This one I haven't installed it yet, I just did the cable, so I'll have to figure out the exact location where to install the camera. Light up the night, shining so bright. So the rear cables are ready for the camera. So I decided maybe I'll install it on the hatch plastic cover, but to do that I need to take the cable through here, and to here, which will be a bit of a pain in the ass, but we will see what happens. Well, after many failed attempts, I managed to install the rear camera as well. Here it is, pointing through the rear glass, and the cable comes through here, through that rubber thingy up here, and I had to drill a hole to get the cable out. So, but yeah. Now it is ready. This is it. Thank you for watching again, and also I didn't have the plasters, so I had to use some cloth and paper tape. I don't know how you call it, what fucking ever. Oops, sorry. But yeah, the car is ready. I have to clean myself up, put back all the tools I took or used because it's an awful mess here on the table. Everything needs to be cleaned up. But yep, finally I have the dash cam. Yes! But yeah, hey, thanks and see you on the next video. I don't know when it will be, but maybe soon, maybe after soon, maybe later, maybe next year, probably next year, yeah. But yep, be cool and see ya. Bye bye.